Hello friends, today I'm going to unboxing and review the Tecno Spark 9. So friends, you can see here the box is very nice, right? And friends, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so here is this some information that it says no support for Africa frequency bands. Okay, warranty in India only. Okay, so let's check here some important. Here is this you can see here 90 Hz refresh rate HD dot notch screen 16:6 cm 13 MP all enhanced dual camera 5000 mAh super battery memory fusion octa-core processor, and on the down you can learn it. You can read it if you want to more much about this mobile phone. Okay, just pause the video and then you will be able to check it. And here too, so let's open the box. It's so different from other phones, right? From the other mobile phones. See, it's very different, right? So I'm going to unbox this one, and friends, please subscribe the channel. So here is the mobile phone. I have opened this mobile phone from before only, so that because I order it, no, that's why whenever we are ordering the mobile phone or things, no, you should also check the record the whenever you are opening the things. Okay, you should open the box by recording the anything, okay, that you are ordering. Okay, you should record it as I record. So here is this warranty card. Okay, months warranty. Here you can see months warranty, and here is this Techno mobile Android user manual. Okay, and here is the plastic of that mobile phone. I have opened it from before only, no, so that's why you should also open it to record. No, I have to record whether the order is okay or not. And this one is the charger. See, here is the charger. You can see it's very different, the charger too, right? So let's check the cable wire. Here is the cable wire. It's very cute, right? So let's move on to mobile phone, how it's. See, the mobile camera is very nice, and the design is, I really love it. You can see the design, the mobile phone camera, everything is perfect. It's amazing, so different, right? It's lovely. Okay, so let's check the mobile phone now. I have on the mobile phone. Okay, if you don't know how to switch on, then you can check it. I make it two more videos, that unboxing and the, I don't know why it's not moving. Maybe this one is new vision, right? New vision, we have to do like this, no, that's why. I don't know what happened. Oh, here it is. I'm going to do the brightness lower so that you can able to see it, right? So now let's check the, so let's move on setting to check the sound. Okay, so here I move on to ringtone. It has given for the SIM 1 and SIM 2.